How do we stay looking young without resorting to all of the expensive med spa options? I'm all about utilizing what I can at home to deliver the best results without the money. So keep watching to see everything that I do for what I like to call my at-home skincare maintenance. And stay tuned till the end to hear my ultimate secret for great skin. I guarantee it's not what you think. Hi, I'm Jeannie. I'm a pro makeup artist. I live in Los Angeles. I work with celebrities, beauty brands, and everyone in between. Welcome to my channel. First things first, something that I do monthly. If you've watched my channel before, you know I've talked about this in quite a few videos. I stand by it. It really does help the appearance of my makeup, and it also helps to exfoliate the face and get rid of any dead skin. I'm talking about face shaving or shaving your face. Like most people, I do have a little bit of peach fuzz all over my face. I do get a little bit of a mustache on the top of my lip, and that's where this comes in. My skin is clean and dry. One thing I like to do is I'll just take a moisturizing face mist. This is from East 29th. It's a brand out of Canada. Really wonderful. A working makeup artist owns it. I love her mist. I love her face mist, and I love her vitamin C serum. So I'm going to mist my face just to dampen it. I know some people prefer to shave on a dry face. I tend to like a little bit more slip on my skin just so then the razor can really glide and there's no chance of it getting caught on my skin and possibly cutting me. I'm just gonna grab a mirror and we're just gonna start. So what I like to do is I'll take the razor and just go down in short strokes. And I don't know if you can see, but there's already some peach fuzz coming off. And I'm doing this very, very lightly. It really does help to just slough off any dead skin. So see, I just finished the one side. It's very quick. It doesn't have to be a big thing. And I don't recommend going back over where you shaved. You should do one pass and leave it. If you feel like you didn't get enough, maybe wait a few hours or maybe wait till the next day and do another pass. So I'm holding it almost at an angle like this and just short little strokes. It's sharp enough to where it's getting the job done with minimal pressure. And now for my upper lip, I like to start just below my nose, and the same idea. In between, I like to take a wipe and just clean the razor, and my makeup does go on so much better when my face is shaved. Now we're not done with this just yet. I also love to use this razor on my eyebrows to groom them and to shape them. The way I like to shape my brows, I prefer to have more of a straight line, particularly on this brow going underneath. And I have some hair that grows down, mostly here on the inside of the brow. And trying to tweeze them and get them perfect is almost impossible. I've tried it so many times and I usually end up removing too much hair and then having to fill it in. It's not fun. So I like to go in with a face razor like this, just to get those little tiny sections that I can't get with a tweezer. Basically, I'll take the razor like this, and I'll scrape up very gently. It's a very small movement, but as you can see, it helped to shape up that line just a little bit. Something else I'll do is I'll just shave in the middle right here and even get like on the sides of my nose and just get a little bit of that hair off. And sometimes I'll even hit just the tail of my brow. Now I know that I said that I wanted to give you all options that are a little bit more affordable. Now this device is an investment. It's an investment in the beginning, but I have had this device for 2.5 years and I've been using it off and on during that time, and I have seen the results, especially when I do it consistently according to what they tell you to do. Now, before I talk about it any further, I'm just gonna tell you what it is. It is the Zip. This is a nanocurrent and microcurrent device. So what you're meant to do is you take a conductor gel. I have the golden gel, which I really love. So you put this conducting gel all over your face, and then you take your Zip and you sync it to an app on your phone, and that will lead you to videos of different tutorials for your eyes, for your lips, for the entire face. Like there's one that you can do before you go out for an event. You also get different skincare regimens, say if you're getting ready for, like me, if you're getting ready to get married, or if you're getting ready for an event that's maybe in 2 weeks or even a week, or you're looking to get rid of some acne. This helps with all of that. When you use this thing consistently, it will literally change the shape of your face. There are some programs that you can do. There's one in particular, I forget what it's called, but it makes you literally look snatched. It lifts the eyelids, it lifts the face, and it's great for right before an event, you know, or if you're getting your picture taken, or if you just want to look really good. The downside, this is an investment. This was not sent to me. I did buy this with my own money. Right now, I believe it retails for $3.99. which again, I know is a lot. But if you think about going to a med spa and getting laser treatments, getting facials, getting all of the things, you're getting your money's worth in 1 to probably 2 sessions of those other treatments at a med spa. And one of the reasons I bought this is because I was not in a position to get monthly facials or to get monthly lasers and treatments. I wanted to do something for my skin that would help counteract the signs of aging. I did get this for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I can't quite remember. So I did get, I think, either 20 or 30% off of it, which with the amount that it costs is a pretty good discount. I also got the conducting gel along with it. So I was able to get both of these 20 or 30% off for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Black Friday is coming up. It is only in a few months. So if it's something that you're thinking about, I say go for it. I highly, highly recommend this. It's the best at-home device I've ever used. And one of the reasons is because it's microcurrent and nanocurrent. It isn't one or the other, which I've found a lot of at-home devices are. There's one more thing I want to talk about before I give you my ultimate secret for great skin, and that is masks. At-home masks, sheet masks, masks that come in a tube like this. They're all great. They come in a variety of prices. This is from Rael. I believe this is like $3 or $4. It's a sheet mask. It's great. You can put them in the fridge, and then they feel really, really good when you put them on. And then there's the Sisley Black Rose mask. This baby is not cheap, but man, is she worth it. If you put this on, the next day you will look like the most radiant moon goddess ever. Honestly, this plumps and hydrates the skin. This is something I'll use before red carpets. This is a cult favorite for a reason. Again, I know it's not cheap, but if you're buying something and you're investing in it, you can also control how much you use. You don't have to use it every night. You don't even have to use it every week. You can use it once a month and stretch it for probably a year and a half. You get to dictate how you use it. Mostly I just mention at-home masks because they're really fun to do and it's a little self-care moment, and who doesn't love a self-care moment? All right, here we go. My ultimate secret for great skin. It's not double cleansing. It is a cool mist humidifier. I sleep with a cool mist humidifier every single night. And I will tell you that it has made such a difference in my skin. It has made a difference in how I sleep. One of the reasons I know a cool mist humidifier works is way back in about 2016, the one I was using broke. I dragged my feet about getting a new one. I waited 2 months and I ended up with the worst bronchitis I have ever had in my life. And yes, it could have been a virus that was going around, and yes, it could have been a myriad of things. Pretty convenient that it happened during the time that I was not sleeping with a cool mist humidifier next to my bed every single night. The humidifier keeps everything lubricated, including your nasal passages. Keeps your skin hydrated, it keeps everything hydrated and happy. I'm telling you, a cool mist humidifier, sleep with one every night, thank me later. Those are just a few things that I like to do in between my daily skincare routine. Like I said, I do some of them weekly, I do some of them monthly. When I'm on my stuff, I do my zip when I'm supposed to, but that does not always happen. But let me tell you, when I do my zip regularly, I definitely see results. I'm definitely gonna have to do a video, I think. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new tutorial.